Hello guys, welcome back to Homes and Space. I'm Rajeshri and today I'm here in Yelahanka, North Bangalore. We'll be exploring a 3.5 BHK flat of Godrej Aveline. Let's go. As you enter, you can see it comes with digital lock, and this dining and living area is L-shaped as you can see. This is your living area. It comes with attached balcony as you can see, and you can place your TV there, your sofa set here, and this is your dining area. It can easily accommodate 6 people. You can see how spacious it is. Right opposite to your dining area, there is the kitchen. Come, let me show you the kitchen. You can see it's quite spacious and has a lot of space for your utensils. You can store a lot of things and also comes with attached utility area. Now let's go check out the bedrooms. This way connects to your 2 bedrooms and your common washroom. Right opposite to your common washroom, this is the first bedroom. And this is the wardrobe area, and it also comes with floor-to-ceiling windows. Now let me show you the master bedroom. Master bedroom welcomes you with wooden style flooring, comes with attached washroom, and this way you can see here is your tucked in wardrobe area. It's quite spacious, it's giving main character energy, and there's also a private balcony, and it's quite spacious and beautiful. This is your 3rd bedroom, comes with attached washroom, and you can see it welcomes you with floor-to-ceiling windows for ample amount of light and ventilation. That way is your wardrobe area. You can also turn this bedroom into your guest bedroom. This is your maid's bedroom, comes with attached washroom, and even though it has a separate entrance, you can also customize your door here with directly to the living room. Want the best view and the best price? Inquire now before the official launch. Contact Homes and Space for more details, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more real estate videos.